My main slide out, which is my living room inside my fifth wheel, the underlayment was getting torn up. I didn't know exactly why until I noticed that there were some rollers, and the rollers had a coating on them, and the one that was to the furthest left towards the rear of the coach was the culprit. Okay, let's take a look at some more pictures of this roller which was defective, and we're going to switch over here to another one, which is the second one from the left, from the rear of the coach of the fifth wheel. It still has the coating on it, but it's still, I don't know, it's sort of loosening up. It's going to come loose here soon. So we wanted to make sure that you saw the symptoms and what caused this. Now, there are 4 rollers that I have. I thought at first it was 3, but it's 4 rollers. And one of them was totally destroyed. The other 3 were just about ready to go. Here are the new rollers. I got them from the company that used to call themselves Alphateers, located in California. And I got a mail order, and I got them fairly quick, so they did a good job. They claimed that they're 100% Teflon, but it sure looks like plastic to me. It may be impregnated with Teflon. How well they'll hold up, I don't know. The other ones held up for 18 years, which I felt was very good. I did not do this RV repair myself. I had it taken to an RV repair shop, and as we all know, trying to find the correct RV shop to take your RV into can be a difficult situation. This is a conceptual repair. I know a lot of people don't really like that. They give me a thumbs down, but this is one that if you take it someplace, you know exactly what they're talking about before you go in, and they can't snow you. It also gives the person who wants to do it and has no idea on how to do it some road map to do it. But you got to remember this, not all RVs or slide outs are the same. And I can't tell you whether or not this will work for you. That's for you to investigate and find out. Plastic tape, a little bit different. It's more fibrous, the original. But right underneath here, probably about an inch, is the rollers. So their philosophy was to move this slide out 2 inches. It would still be in the slot, and just go up here and take the rollers out and put the new ones in. The frame is actually the stop for the slide out. That has to be removed in order to replace the rollers. And to the side of the screen there is a picture that shows what it looks like between the slide out and the stop. It's a piece of vinyl. This is going to be difficult to see, but if you can see that the frame is actually wider than the opening to put in the slide out. It only took them a couple of days to do this whole job, and there was some other things involved besides the rollers. So there probably was some disassembly, but this whole frame probably comes off in one piece after you get some disassembly done. Now how they do it, I don't know. That's for you to research and to do. But they also probably had some kind of a frame or some kind of a safety feature built underneath the slide out for safety reasons. So what we're going to show you now is the reason why you need rollers. This is a flush floor when it finishes. Now if you had a slide in that you had a step on, I don't think rollers are necessary, and if they do, they would be built in to where just a little part of them would be showing. Let me show you. I do not recommend that you do this job yourself, but if you do decide to do it, please, by all means, take the necessary steps to build some kind of a frame that can handle the weight of your slide out in case something goes wrong.